Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Binance. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their BNB token, some of the best wallets to use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. The Binance Exchange was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, and not only is it the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, but it is also one of the fastest, with more than 1.4 million transactions being processed per second. It is a beginner-friendly, community-driven blockchain with several successful charity initiatives, plenty of high-quality educational resources, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, customer support, and a diverse range of products on offer. When trading with Binance, low transaction fees are guaranteed, and you will be able to buy, sell, store, and stake more than 600 cryptocurrencies, and send over 200 cryptocurrencies anywhere in the world at no cost. Binance also offers exclusive NFTs, and you can buy limited edition mystery boxes from the NFT Marketplace. And there are many ways to earn passive income by holding BNB tokens and using the Binance Card. The Binance customer support team can be reached via email or live chat, and they have accounts on all social media platforms as well as Discord. Binance is not only a cryptocurrency exchange, but this company also offers financial services, borderless payment solutions, institutional and VIP services, a decentralized digital asset exchange, and much more. Firstly, you should know that Binance offers both a centralized asset exchange and a decentralized exchange known as the Binance Smart Chain. The centralized exchange is primarily used for spot trading on more than 600 cryptocurrencies, while the BNB chain can be used for trading cryptos as well as building and using decentralized applications and smart contracts. If you'll be launching a new token anytime soon, we highly recommend using the Binance Launchpad, as they have more than 90 million clients worldwide, which means you'll get more exposure and higher liquidity, and Binance will handle your token distribution. Business owners can use Binance Pay to upgrade their payment systems to Binance's borderless technology, which will allow their customers to pay for goods and services using cryptocurrencies. And clients can also send crypto to friends and family anywhere in the world. More than 60 million international merchants have already started using Binance Pay. For those of you who are new to trading crypto, the Binance Academy can be used to learn everything you need to know about blockchain and crypto trading. Here you can learn how to build a balanced crypto portfolio, and you can earn free cryptocurrency by completing quizzes and tasks. In addition to the educational resources provided, you can also visit the Binance Research section for unbiased, in-depth insights and analysis reports on dozens of cryptocurrencies. If you are a developer and you are interested in creating decentralized applications, head over to the Decentralized Exchange section and click on Develop with BNB Chain. Or explore the system to learn more about what you can do with BNB Chain. You can find all the documentation you need for decentralized application development under this section of the website. And you can also use some of the applications that have already been developed to see what you can improve or introduce to the ecosystem. Binance also offers loans, a Visa card, gift cards, and borderless payments with no transaction fees. You can use more than 200 cryptocurrencies with Binance Pay to send crypto to friends and family anywhere in the world. And with the Binance Card, you can pay for goods and services with more than 60 million merchants globally and earn cashback rewards on your spending. The Binance Card also makes it easy to hold and exchange crypto without converting it. And this card has no issuing fees, no sign-up fees, and no annual fees. You can also use the crypto you have as collateral to loan the crypto you want, so you don't have to worry about buying different cryptocurrencies every time you see an opportunity. There are also numerous ways to earn more with Binance. You can stake your BNB for Binance's exclusive rewards, or stake any of your other assets to earn interest on them. Binance also offers unique crypto savings accounts, and you can automate your investments to earn passive income. To learn more about how you can earn with Binance, hover your cursor over the Earn tab and click on Binance Earn, or select any of the other options from the drop-down menu. You can buy, trade, and stake hundreds of cryptocurrencies with Binance, and they also offer coins and tokens from DeFi applications, the metaverse, fan tokens, NFTs, and much more. You can also trade derivatives and leveraged tokens with Binance, or buy tokens from the Launchpad. You can also join the Binance mining pools and stake your coins to increase your daily earnings. To learn more about the markets and assets you can trade with Binance, click on the Markets tab, or hover your cursor over the Trade tab and choose an option from the drop-down list. BNB is the native token of the Binance ecosystem. It is a utility token that can be used to pay for goods and services, participate in token sales, or settle transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain. You can also use the BNB Vault to stake BNB and earn rewards. And if you are using the Binance Visa card, then you can use BNB to pay for goods and services with more than 60 million merchants. This token can also be used to apply for Binance loans, and you can earn up to 40% referral commission if you own BNB and your family or friends sign up. As a BNB holder, you will also qualify for the Binance VIP program, and you can save up to 25% on spot trading fees and margin trading fees, and up to 10% on futures trading fees. If you travel often, you can use BNB to book plane tickets and accommodation with Travel by Bit, Trip.io, and Traveler.com. BNB can also be used to buy land in the Decentraland metaverse, to create smart contracts on MyWish, or to take out loans on Nexo. There are many ways to use the BNB token, and many benefits to being a BNB holder. To buy BNB, either click on the Markets tab and buy it directly from the exchange, or scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage and click on BNB. You will be redirected to a new page where you can click on the Buy BNB button. When it comes down to wallets, Trust Wallet is one of the most used and most trusted wallets in the crypto industry, and it is the official wallet of Binance. It is a decentralized wallet that can be used to send, store, and receive the digital assets you buy. You can also use Trust Wallet to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies, and it can also be used to store your NFTs and digital art. To learn more about Trust Wallet and download it, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Trust Wallet under the Products menu. Some of the other options for wallets include MetaMask, Math Wallet, and the Binance Chain wallet. You can easily create an account with Binance in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Binance homepage, and then click on the Register button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Once you have registered your account with Binance, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. You can buy crypto with several fiat currencies, including US dollars, pounds, and Australian dollars. In order to choose your base currency, hover your cursor over the Buy Crypto tab and click on the button in the top right corner of the drop-down menu that displays which currency you are using and to be able to choose your preferred currency from the list. You can buy crypto using bank deposits, credit and debit cards, as well as bank transfers. So, what do we like about Binance? Binance is not only one of the safest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, but it is also one of the only crypto exchanges that offers both centralized and decentralized exchanges, and that can process more than 1 million transactions per second. Binance has a good reputation in the crypto industry, and a great deal of effort has been made by this company to assist vulnerable communities. This company believes in blockchain solutions for social change, and more than 2.7 million Bitcoin has been raised, with more than 5,000 donations made to over 1.8 million beneficiaries worldwide. Binance has also used NFTs to raise even more funds and reach more people in need, and this company is making a great deal of effort to make payments borderless, free, and accessible, and to eradicate poverty globally. Whether you will be buying and selling crypto for the first time, or you are an institutional client looking for a VIP experience, or even a developer who would like to experiment with decentralized applications, Binance has everything you need. By purchasing BNB, you are getting exposure to the biggest global crypto exchange, the second biggest smart contract player, and it probably has the widest range of product offerings to its clients, including an NFT Marketplace. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your Binance account today to trade crypto with one of the leading online exchanges that cares about borderless payment solutions, social change, and one that helps beginners understand everything they need to know about crypto trading. And that is our overview of Binance. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.